Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can crop an image in Google Docs. And just to be clear, this is cropping, meaning that you will remove some section of the image from the original picture. So this is not resizing, but cropping, just to be clear. Anyway, let's get into the tutorial. Okay, I have this photo, which is essentially the same photo as before, but I just don't want to reveal the person here. I just want to show the dog in the frame. How do you do that? Well, you must double click on the image to reveal the crop menu, like this. You will see that the anchor points around the image will appear, and you can actually start using it to just isolate the part that you want to show in the image. You have to do it carefully because they are so tiny in some cases. I think this is perfect, and when you're done, you can click on anywhere to apply the setting. Like that. And I think I want to increase the size of this image as well. So I think this is about appropriate size. And there you go. But don't worry, let's say if you want to change the frame of the image again, you want to show something else, you can always double click on the image. And then it will open the crop menu, which allows you to show the area that you want to show in the frame. And that's essentially how you can crop a picture in Google Docs. I hope you find this video helpful, and I'll see you on the next video.